How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. So, I used to make these little tins, these little survival tins, which I thought was really cool at the time, right? As in being able to open it up, and I wanted to do the smallest survival kit I could possibly make, right? As in everything has a purpose, as in I can boil in the container, I have all these little bits, fishing tools, fire starter, you know, all kinds of stuff, duct tape, everything in here. Even there's a mini flashlight built into this, snare wire, all that kind of stuff. I put a lot of time and effort into this. It was a fun hobby. But funny enough, there's a company out there that already does this and reasonably for a good price, and that would be Wazoo. And this is, I think, their adventure kit, if I recall. And I recently got a hold of this, and I was like, man, this is so much easier than me piecing together each little item on my own. As in, this is like a one-stop shop. As in, literally, I can just buy this. Here you go. Have a great day. There's no point in like running through everything. Now, of course, you can supplement items in, but these little kits are fully, for the most part, outfitted. And the very cool thing is they're designed to fit in their apparel. As in, a hat, right, is one of them. So this whole kit can fit inside their baseball cap, which is very interesting, and I thought was pretty cool, honestly, because I pretty much always wear a baseball cap personally in certain circumstances. Now, of course, I've known about Wazoo for a very long time. I actually run their Wazoo belt. I have a dedicated video on this. As you can see how beaten this belt has been for 6 years of everyday carry. Also, most of these items, almost all, will fit in this belt, which is very cool, right? You can have an emergency kit on you at all times, no matter what. And it's not taking up a literal block of where are you going to put this. Sure, it can fit in a cargo pocket, but man, that gets annoying after, a certain time, or if it gets in a backpack and you lose your backpack, now you're separated from your items, right? I think the hat and, of course, my belt is a solid way to go. As in, I have a bunch of stuff in here. I have a dedicated video on this too. I'll probably link it in the description box below or throw it up on a card real quick. You can see all the rundown of everything that's in my belt. But I started looking into these kits, and I'm like, man, these things are actually fully outfitted with a lot of good stuff, right? Water purification, fire starting, fishing, notification, or just in general like a whistle, or communication, a light, there's marking tools, brass wire. I mean, there's just a lot of stuff in here. Small saw. And I think it's pretty funny that I took so much time and effort to build my own that later on they would just source one kit or two kits that you could buy, and it just one-stop shop. So all these items, in my opinion, when I was going through, let me talk about that. When I was going through and sourcing all the best equipment I could, because I didn't skimp on a lot of stuff. I went very expensive, or not super expensive, but quality made stuff in this kit. So I understand cheap stuff. They make other cheap kits out there, in my opinion, that it's just like a gimmick. You buy it and you look at this thing and you're like, absolutely not. None of this stuff is actually going to work. But when I look at Wazoo, again, I am not paid to say this. Wazoo has no idea I'm doing this video, and I get zero money for saying anything about Wazoo. So I'm not affiliated whatsoever. This is my own opinion over the years. They put good quality stuff in here. All these items, I mean, we're talking like they didn't even cheap out on the water purification tabs. They went to Katadyn, which in my opinion is a very good reputable brand, right? All these items are really high quality made, as in not the cheap knockoff stuff. Now, that's just my opinion. People may differ. Of course, you have your own comments and say, oh, that's super cheap and blah, blah. Yes, some of these items might be cost effective, but that doesn't mean that they're bad. I mean, good quality Gorilla Tape in here. I mean, again, kind of going on about it, but pretty cool. Again, one little thing is their mirror can fit in the belt buckle, which is super cool. I just saw that there, so it'll slip in there. Same with the cover. I think the cover is pretty cool. From the outside, it doesn't look very serious or whatnot, but on the inside, you have different locations that you can fit things. You can fit things in here, here, off to the sides. Very cool. And even if you wanted to, you can fit stuff behind the patch, you know, if you put a patch of some sort on there. So again, this is just my run through of it. I think it's pretty cool. I figured I want to get it out to all of you. Here's an option for you if you are into these little survival kits or want something always on you no matter what. Even if you lose your backpack, you can still technically have certain items on you, right? Again, you can lose a baseball cap. It's a little bit harder to lose a belt, in my opinion, and not know about it, I guess, jokingly. But again, I just wanted to go through with it, what I originally used, what I sourced, and then now what's easily available on the market. Cool how the industry works over the years. So again, I'm not affiliated with Wazoo whatsoever. I don't get paid. You could buy 10,000 of these kits. I will not see a single penny. Now, I don't even know if they're on Amazon, but after this video, I'll probably see if they have some of these items, and I will link them in the description box below if they exist. And yes, I will get some commission off that, a few cents if you purchased it, but that's just because I'm an Amazon affiliate, not affiliate with the company whatsoever. So other than that, I think it's a cool, awesome design, really mindset-wise of being prepared no matter what, and you can fire and forget in a way. Purchase, put it in your belt, hat, whatever it is, forget. You're always prepared for the most part. And lastly, once you get one of these, my opinion, get a second one and train with it. Get out there, test it, use all the bits and pieces to it, see if it works, and use this one away for that rainy day. So, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope y'all have a great day.